वो कहते हैं ना कि लाइफ इज लर्न बैकवर्ड्स बट इट मस्ट बी लिव्ड फॉरवर्ड्स। हमें हमारी जिंदगी की सीख हमारे बीते हुए दिनों से मिलती है, पर उसे जीना तो हमें आगे ही पड़ता है। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर शिशिर है। मैं एक पीडियाट्रिशियन हूँ और मैं एक ब्लॉगर, एक राइटर भी हूँ। और अब मेरी पहली बुक पब्लिश हो रही है जिसका नाम है रेज अगेंस्ट द डाइंग ऑफ द लाइट। इट इज लवली, इजंट इट? And this is such a lovely feeling to hold your own book, knowing that all the words contained in this book are your own creation. The feeling, the smell of papers. I'm so thankful to my publishers, Mukund, Jayashri, and their team for bringing out such a wonderful looking book. Mukund is a very supportive, very articulate man. He's with a lot of clarity of ideas, and he's helped me all throughout my publishing process, right from the editing to the printing, everything. He's managed it. So I'm really thankful to him and to the entire team of Pirates. Coming to the book, this book is as much a reflection of my life as it is a reflection of any other medical student's life. This book is a combination of fiction and a memoir. So this is divided in two parts. Part 1, as I call, is elemental chemistry of blossom, and part 2 is elemental flaw of creation, यानी कि आधी हकीकत आधा फसाना. The purpose of writing this book is contained in part 2. It is about some very disturbing, very painful days of my life. Those days that were spent in relentless chase of finding the diagnosis and the cure for my ailing son. It was so difficult going back to those pages of memory that I had to literally summon all my friends for support. So part 2 was created out of that calling. As someone very rightly said, sometimes you need fantasy to survive the truth, and that's exactly what happened. It was really troublesome remembering those days, but I'm so glad that I did it. Because all those suffering, those pain, it was getting pent up deep within me, and it was ready to explode perhaps. Writing them down and sharing it with the world, I'm much relieved. And that is why I feel it is very important to share your story. And that is the purpose of creating this video today. Because I have realized this. I have realized the importance of sharing it with the world. That is why I have formed a patient support group for parents whose child are either suffering with chronic diseases or critically ill, or were at times and they are still feeling the pain. The idea is, if we can come together and support each other in that chase, in that pursuit, in that effort to save or to deal with the medical condition of our children, this will go a long way in supporting each other. If by sharing my story with them, or if by listening to their stories, if I can in some way help them mentally, emotionally, or psychologically, in my capacity as a doctor, as a father whose son was critically sick, or even as a human being, if we can form such group where we help each other I'll be happy to organize these patient support sessions, because I tell you, this is a very difficult task. Living through those moments was a very difficult task for me. But I was fortunate enough that I had a little background knowledge of medicine. Plus, I had very supportive friends. I had friends who were having medical knowledge, who are having medical knowledge, like Dr. Ritu, and I had some very good, knowledgeable teachers like Dr. K. Plus, I had very good support from the family and friends. So I had a very good support system to deal with the situation. Even with this kind of system, I was almost broken, because there are certain questions which nobody has answers. Probably they don't have an answer, like why me? Why my son? Or why my daughter, for that matter? So it's probably very important to help each other. There will be many disturbing thoughts which, if you are not able to share with your doctors or hospitals or your families or friends due to their time constraints or their different priorities, I'm not discrediting them in any way. They are doing their best, I'm sure of that. But then there are things which are beyond them. There are things which can be only understood by someone who's already gone through this phase. And if I can be that bridge between you and your doctors or your hospitals, well, I'll think that I have achieved what I'm starting for. This is in no way going to be a medical therapy session, but this is just a small step. Thank you.